Hi, my name is Lorena Mesa, and I'm so excited to share a little bit about what I experienced at the inaugural PyCon Africa held here in Accra, Ghana. I actually arrived a few days early so that I'd have a little time to explore, and I've got a little time after. But what was really fun, just to kind of kick off the whole week, a few of us went surfing, a thing I have never done before, in KhoPhi. I think I might be saying that correct. If not, I'm so sorry. While there, I got to have my first taste of some excellent West African food. Now, it was funny because some of the organizers are from the south part of the continent, and many of them were saying, "Oh, Lorena, do you like spicy food?" Side note, I do. I very much love spicy food. So when we got to try kalewele, people were looking at me going, "Oh, is she going to tear up because it's too spicy?" And not the case for me. I love that spice. Spice is life. I also then got my first introduction to jollof, which is a thing I've learned is very, very passionate for the Ghanaian people and also for the Nigerian people. So I learned about the jollof wars, which is very real, and apparently a discussion, a heated, fun discussion that will never end. So I just learned to kind of say, I like them both. And yes, I am being neutral on that one because I don't want anyone to be mad at me. It's been an excellent time here to be at the conference. Everyone is so kind and warm and welcome. If you have a question, people are happy to talk with you, to the extent that what you think might be a small question, half an hour later, you're still talking about all the complexities of that question. And really, people here are so proud of their home. They're so proud of the Python community. They're so hungry to bring African tech to the world that I encourage anyone watching this to come to the next PyCon Africa, be it here in Ghana or elsewhere, to really explore and have a good time. Now, the talks, I really was impressed with the range of talks, from Aaron Yankee talking about power and Vim, where he started by saying, here's a keyboard, type Python. Now type it, copy, paste it 10 times, copy, paste it 1,000,000 times. Anyone do it faster than me, and no one could paste it faster than him. And he just started talking about, when you start combining Python with Vim, how you can make your processes so much faster. Then juxtaposed with a talk like Felipe, who is from the Brazilian community, talking about Afro-Python, and really talking about the importance of understanding your identity and how your identity intersects with how you may have access to tech or how you may not. And really being able to hear about the experience of diaspora and the pride in having African heritage, be you on the continent or not, is a really beautiful thing. So I really love the whole range of talks. Everyone here, again, is so happy and so proud to share. So I challenge you to come to PyCon Africa next year. And if you do have any questions, I'm always happy to talk to you about all the great food. Maybe if you don't like spicy food, I can connect you with people who can tell you like what to eat, what not to eat. I think it's just best to say, go out and explore and get to know the African Python community. They are amazing, passionate, and ready to meet you.
Let me capture the camera.